In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print out a Schedule C in QuickBooks Online 2026. If you're a sole proprietor, the Schedule C is the IRS form that summarizes your business income and deductible expenses for the calendar year. QuickBooks Online can compile most of this for you, and I'll walk you through how to find it, run it for the right year, and print or save a clean copy. First, sign into QuickBooks Online on a desktop browser so you can see the full navigation. On the left-hand menu, open Reports. This is your central hub for all financial summaries and tax-ready documents. In the search bar at the top of the Reports page, type Schedule C. You're looking for a report called Schedule C Worksheet. If it appears in the results, select it to open. Before you run the report, make sure the date range is set to the correct tax year. Schedule C is filed on a calendar year basis, so choose January 1st through December 31st for the year you're preparing. That date range ensures your income and expenses line up with your tax return. It's also a good idea to glance at the report settings at the top to confirm the company, date range, and accounting method shown match what you expect to file. Now click Run Report. QuickBooks will compile your business income and expense totals into the Schedule C format. Give it a moment to load and then scan the categories to make sure they look reasonable. If you've been categorizing expenses throughout the year, they should flow into familiar lines like advertising, supplies, and utilities. This is also a great time to note any unusual spikes or missing amounts you may want to review with your accountant. When you're ready to keep a copy, you have two easy options. To print directly, click the printer icon at the top of the report. Your browser's print dialog will open so you can choose your printer or save as a PDF from there. If you prefer a QuickBooks generated file, use Export and select Export as PDF. This creates a neatly formatted document that's ideal for email, e-file attachments, or secure storage. If you don't see the Schedule C worksheet when you search, double check your spelling and that you're in the right company file. Availability can vary by subscription or region, so your version may label or surface it differently. In that case, consult your tax professional or QuickBooks support for guidance specific to your setup. That's it. Go to Reports, search Schedule C, open the Schedule C worksheet, set the year to January 1st through December 31st, run the report, and then print or export to PDF for your records.